Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Trouble Free, and in today's video we are going to see what are the documents that are required for Accenture. These documents are required only after you are selected. So after your interview you will be getting a mail to upload your documents. Then all these documents are required, which I'm going to tell you in this video, but not during the time of the application. Okay, and coming to results of Accenture, so many people are asking, did you receive the results of Accenture and all? See, my interview was on 15th of May. After that, whoever are done with their interviews or whatever, nobody got the result from 2021 batch so far. I mean, as I know, and from 2020 batch, some of them got document upload mail. Some people's interview was on 18th, some on 16th, so like that they got. But from 2021 batch till now nobody got, according to the information I have. So if you are from 2021 batch, or if you are from 2020 any batch and you got your Accenture results after 15th or on 15th of May interviewed students, just let us know in the comment section or in the Telegram group, so that so many people are having confusion about this. And let's get into the video now. So what are the documents that are required? First is 10th mark sheets and 12th mark sheets you need to upload. And why you have to upload your mark sheets? Just because they have some eligibility criteria, right? 60% or 65% or 70%, each and every company will have an eligibility criteria, your backlogs, your education gaps. So all those things will be checked, and then if your documents are perfect, then your your selection will be confirmed. If your documents are not proper, then you'll be rejected. So 10th mark sheets and 12th mark sheets, and BTech all 1 to 8 semesters mark sheets. But in case of 2021 passed outs, since 7th semester results are not out, some people did not even write 8th semester, so that is the reason why you have an exemption for 7th and 8th semesters. You have to gather all the mark sheets from semester 1 to semester 6. And if you don't have your 6th semester results, 1 to 6 semesters are mandatory, right? So if you're not having your 6th semester results, in that case contact your TPO. If it is an online, then it should be self attested by colleges, nothing but they should stamp or signature, something has to be done. So if you're confident enough that you'll be definitely selected in Accenture, contact your TPO and make sure that he'll arrange your 6th semester mark sheets to you. And PAN card is mandatory, as you know that. And there are some other optional documents as well, like driving license or voter ID. So all those are not mandatory. These are the things which are very important. PAN card is very important, and mark sheets from 1 to 6 semesters in case of 2021 passed outs, and 12th mark sheets and 10th mark sheets done. So these are the documents that you need to collect and that you need to keep ready in order to upload. Of course, after receiving the mail to upload documents also, you'll have around 3 to 4 days of time to upload. But still, if you're really very much confident that you'll be getting selected in Accenture interview, then make sure that you'll be ready with all these documents. And thanks for watching the video. Let's meet up soon in the next coming video with another topic. So if you're having any doubts, and if you're having any information or any updates related to Accenture interview results or anything, post it in the comment section or in the Telegram group or in my Instagram or Gmail, so that so many people can get the information. Because so many people are waiting for Accenture and they are really very confused, because during the previous days, like in April, or people receive the results of their interview in 2 or 3 days, in some cases maximum within a week. But it's more than a week and still the results are not out, so people are very tensed. And let's wait till 31st of May, so because in the schedule that was given to us, it was 31st of May 2021, right? So let's wait till then, since it's COVID time. So obviously the works will be going a bit slow, so you can understand that. And don't get panic. All the best for your results, and be ready with the documents.